making this Dalgona coffee this year because of this corona.
Hi.
This 1 cup of Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back at it again. So for this video, we will be making a new video with my sister and my cousin. So this is my sister Denise and my cousin Alina. Say hi to them.
Hi.
So for today's video, we will be making a Dalgona coffee. For those people who doesn't know Dalgona coffee is a cold latte drink that comes with a velvety smooth and sweet coffee from on top. The combination of cold milk and the bittersweet coffee is absolutely delicious. So Dalgona coffee is inspired by the South Korean candy. And I saw this Dalgona coffee in TikTok and some of my IG story friends or followers. Most of them are really nalamian dun sila sa Dalgona coffee. So, okay, let's make a Dalgona coffee. Let's get started! So, the first step,
A few inches later.
So, what are the ingredients in making Dalgona coffee? And the materials is this tablespoons, this 1 cup, and a scissor, a coffee, a brown sugar, a hot water, a bowl, and a fresh milk, and also this hand mixer. So if it doesn't have hand mixer, you can only use the whisk. You can only use the whisk. If it doesn't have this, I bought this for only 1,999 pesos in Lee Plaza. So the step 1 in making the Dalgona coffee is 1 tablespoon of this classic Nescafe.
So we're cutting it.
So we're cutting this sachet. And we will put it here in a 1 tablespoon so that the measure will tarong. So let's put it here na in the bowl. And next is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a little bit for lami-lami. And next is 1 tablespoon of hot water. Water, sister. Next is, you should mix this using this, hand mixer. See, you want to mix?
Me.
Should mix it until brown, light brown siya.
A few moments later.
You follow my sister on TikTok and this my cousin also. Cover na ni sila guys.
Dili. Follow ko siyang TikTok. Kung wala kay TikTok, ayaw.
Dito ka sis. Ha?
Pero baldita ko.
Anak sila Poy nga. So the nickname of my sister is Poy. Anak sila nga. We will make a mukbang na.
Ay, samot.
Why samot?
Samot. Palit sudan. Samot ka ay.
1, 2, 3. After mixing the instant coffee, the sugar, and the hot water, We should whisk it for 5 to 8 minutes until you get this creamy, foamy consistency. So, hantod mo yung ani siya, guys. So, like this. Mga, kulang na niyo siya. So, sa kabaso.
Oh no! Hindi mo.
Ha? Oo, gawin na siya.
Gani.
Sa? Gawin na po.
Sige.
Get a hot coffee again.
Terus. Oh.
Cut this. Cut this coffee. Then we need a... So, feel na mo, kulang na niya siya. It's too small. We will put another coffee again and a sugar. Next is hot water again. 1 tablespoon of hot water. And let's mix it to 5 to 8 minutes. Again.
5 to 8 minutes.
A few moments later.
Subscribe to her right now. If you're not, I'm gonna kill you.
Saan?
If you're
Dali-
not
dali
gonna
again.
subscribe, I will kill you.
So, look at it. We're making a Dalgona coffee. Making this Dalgona coffee because you are bored because of this
Time.
coronavirus. So make sure you will wash your hands. What else?
Stay safe.
Stay
Stay
safe.
safe.
And always put in alcohol and
Social distance.
do social distancing so that avoid na ito ng mga corona diha. And use a
Mask. Walay corona na. May bukas. Bye.
again. And step 1, we need a sugar, a coffee, and a hot water. Every ingredients we need 1 tablespoon of it. So amo ginawa ka ng coffee kaya feel na ko kulangan siya. Okay, you will take coffee. Or no?
I don't know.
You will drink coffee.
Luwag.
So step 2 is whisk about 5 to 8 minutes until you get this creamy, foamy consistency. So, humana na siya ang step 1 and step 2. Step 3 is prepare our glass.
Let's see.
Put in here everything. 1. Step 3 is we need a glass, milk, or any milk. We need a ice. So here, we will put a milk.
1 hour later.
Up. Okay. We're kapit na tamahuman.
Pero na pa yung saday.
Sige. Yummy. Dalgona coffee.
Wow!
Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee. So here is it, guys. This is our Dalgona coffee. We'll be tasting it. We'll mix it. Let's mix it first.
Mimix.
Oh no.
Uy, buka na may straw ha. Pagtanga sa.
So, they are getting straw. Shout out ni Alisa Jane Robas, my best friend. How are you, friend? Okay ra kanira. Shout out ni Filmina Tan. Wow, hayan kay Love Life. And Mark Polinar and also John Axel Reyes. Hi, Day. Kumusta na ka, Day? Mag-LMSC na ang kasigi ni Day. Wala tayong makuha. Single na siya, guys. Chatin niyo John Axel Reyes at Facebook. So, we will be trying this Dalgona coffee made by who?
You. Wala. Andyan.
Hmm? Lamig, dili. Hindi ka nag-coffee, I know.
Ikaw ano yun?
Dito sa ilalong gamay. Na, diha.
Ni.
Hintay ka ni drink ang coffee.
Dili ay tinod na coffee. Ay, rain na ako, mama.
That's it, guys! Hope you enjoy our video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And give it a thumbs up. Click that
Location.
Also, don't forget to click that notification bell button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll get updated. See you in my next vlog. Bye!
Next vlog. Bye!
Bye! Love you. Kiss.
Mwah.